If you like classic cars, this place definitely needs to be on your list. The Motte Farm in Menifee, California has an awesome car collection inside.
Behind these walls of weathered wood stand silent dreams where legends stood. Every coat of polished paint carries echoes time can't erase. A father taught a child to steer, a couple laughed through 50 years. Long before we walked inside these wheels that lived 1,000 lives. The engines rest, the stories don't. The miles are gone, the memories won't. Every road has a story, every mile leaves its mark. Every family writes a chapter with a key and hopeful heart. Now we're making our own memories, one adventure at a time. Someday someone else will wonder where our road began to wind. One old truck hauled fields of grain, another danced through summer rain. A shiny coupe on Friday night, chasing neon city lights. Different people, different days, different dreams on different highways. Yet somehow all those journeys meet inside this place on quiet streets. History isn't locked away, it rides beside us every day. Every road has a story, every mile leaves its mark. Every family writes a chapter with a key and hopeful heart. Now we're making our own memories, one adventure at a time. Someday someone else will wonder where our road began to wind. Maybe years from now our children will tell stories of today about the little places we discovered and the roads that led the way. Because adventures don't grow old, they simply find another soul to carry them a little farther down another winding road. Every road has a story, every journey leaves a light. Yesterday becomes tomorrow when we choose to keep it alive. Every photo, every laugh, every place we've traveled through. The greatest treasure isn't the cars, it's the memories they carry to you.